Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T28 Commerce Pro in stone grey. It is powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine with 6-speed manual transmission. This model stands out with the stunning Leighton Body Kit featuring striking 20-inch black alloy wheels, a rear spoiler and mud flaps for a sportier, more dynamic appearance. LED headlamps with automatic control and rain-sensing wipers ensure excellent visibility, while heated, power folding and adjustable mirrors add convenience in all weather conditions. Parking is made simple with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear view camera. The load space can be accessed through the tailgate or side sliding door, and there are also lashing rings to ensure that your cargo is secure during your journeys. Entering through the driver's side, you will find that the controls for features such as the windows, mirrors and lights are all located conveniently. Inside, the cabin offers premium comfort with black Leighton leather seats featuring red contrast stitching. They're heated and the driver will also benefit from armrests for extra support during longer drives. The middle seat can fold down to create a flat surface, and there is also storage throughout the cab. You'll find USB-C ports around and a wireless device charging pad, as well as a cup holder which can be folded away. The multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel gives intuitive control of key systems, while adaptive cruise control ensures a relaxed driving experience. The digital dash displays vehicle and driving information in a customisable way. The infotainment system includes DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, make the most of your camera and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, and much more. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T28 Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.